Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, My Beautiful Memories, we will be covering the section of grammar, in which we will learn about adverbs of place and time. So open up page number 31 and let's get started. So, an adverb is a word used to make a sentence more interesting. An adverb can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells when, where, how, in what manner, or to what extent an action is performed. It has many types. The first type that we're going to study is adverbs of place. It tells us where an action takes place. For example, please sit here. It is telling us to sit on a particular place. Now, read the rest of the examples by yourself. Let's come to the second type, which is adverbs of time. And it tells us when something happened or when someone did something. For example, Bilal will come to meet Azan soon. Now it is actually telling the time when will something happen or when will Azan or Bilal and Azan meet. Similarly, read all of the other examples by yourself. You may pause the video right here. Once you are done reading with the rest of the examples, let's come to an activity. Make sentences using adverbs of time and place on a loose sheet. I have made some for you. For example, she stayed at her grandmother's house all day. This is the adverb of time. We are telling for how long did she stay at her grandmother's house. Now for the adverb of time, my grandfather's for adverb of place, my grandfather's house is nearby. Here nearby is an adverb of place. Similarly, make more sentences using adverbs of time and place. Try to make at least 5 sentences for each.